Welcome to Kevin's European Garage, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my Rennline cell phone mount, and I'm also going to show you how to install it. This is my Rennline phone mount. I've had this in the vehicle, I don't know, for a couple of years now, and this thing is great. What I really like about it is the fact that it doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't attach to your vent. It doesn't get floppy. This thing is solid, and it's actually mounted to the radio. It's got the magnetic plate that attaches to the back of your phone. You can hold it up like this. You can hold it like this, sideways. If you're using it for navigation, say like I don't have navigation, so I can easily put my phone up here and use this for navigation either which way or not. You can use it to, if you want to play your iTunes through it or anything. Trying to make a phone call or you want to see something. I mean, this is the best thing for it. If you're thinking about getting a cell phone mount, these things aren't that expensive, and it's definitely a lot better than those other ones that are portable that just kind of sit in the vents and they kind of flop around a lot. They take up a lot of room. So, after you're done taking your phone in and out, those you have to clip them in, undo them, scrunch them on the side, do whatever you need to do to get them in. But this one, what's nice about this is that it's just magnetic. I mean, literally, I don't have to. And it just works. So I think this is a great mount. I'm definitely going to be picking up one also from my 911, even though I don't really use it that much, but it'll be just something to have over there on the side. It's definitely worth it. Now, this is basically my quick review on it. I'm going to show you how to install it now, and the installation on this thing is actually pretty simple. So this is what it looks like when you look at it straight on. It's nice. You can angle the pad whichever way you want. So you can angle it towards you can angle it towards the passenger if the passenger is going to be using it, or however you want to do it. What's nice is it's out of the way of the screen over here, so you still have no problem seeing this screen. What's nice is universal, and you can actually put it on this side, or if you're in the UK and you want to, it fits right over here, so you're still looking at it from this angle as opposed to us here in the US when we're looking at it this way. Okay, so here's the mount removed out of here, and I put it back to being normal. What we're going to do is that inside here there's these little clips. Okay, you can see one of those clips right there. And not even like a clip, it's just like what we end up having to do is slide in the screwdriver into it like such. You can see that the screwdriver is now inside there. There's two on either side on the bottom, and there's two again on the top. So what you're going to do the bottom one first. So you got one in there, and then I'm going to put the other one in on the other side over here. You can kind of see it right there to the right hand side. So now I got the two screwdrivers in there. You have to lightly pull them out towards the center to release the tabs. You don't want to pull too hard. Then grab down on the very bottom over here. You can put your finger behind it and pull. And then what you have to do is you'll have to release the two on the top and do the same thing. This one just popped out. So you got two of them on the top and two of them on the bottom. But once you get that out, you're going to have two T25 Torx screws right here and right here. So I took these out already, and these are they're small like this, and they're a T25, and that's where this mount goes. So this is what the bracket looks like for the mount. Pretty simple. It slides up in right over here. You have to assemble this. It doesn't come assembled. So this is all you have to do. You got the ball section, this that goes onto the ball, and over here you have to attach the ball to the bracket. And it's just done with a screw, so you just tighten it down really tight, hold that in place. Next you want to do, you want to put this thing on and just push that down. Tighten it up. Now I got a little too tight maybe. You loosen it up to give you the amount of resistance that you want on it. So now that the bracket is assembled, we're going to install it in the vehicle. So this bracket slides in such, like just a little clip over here. Just slides behind that. And in between over here. So behind this clip and on the other side of this. So this is the bracket. This is where it slides in. So you want it fully against the side. You want to make sure that there's nothing stopping it. That this is right up against here. So this thing will sit between here and over in between there. So next we put our screws in. Using a T25. So that's what the completed bracket looks like when it is installed. So now we have to put back the vent. So this is the vent. And let's see if I can take it off so I can show you better what the two tabs look like. There we can. So it's hard to see them. Two tabs are, this is one of them. Here's another one. And here's the other two. So what you're doing is that you're pushing your screwdriver in and so you can pull it back. So these are the 4 tabs. Twist it this way. And you should be able to just slide this back in slowly. Make sure you have it pushed against the side over there, against towards the radio. And it clips right back in. That's it. And that's how you do the installation on this. Relatively simple. It's just a little bit difficult to get inside there to pull these tabs. But it doesn't show up very well on the camera, unfortunately. I wish it did. So thanks for watching my review on my Rennline cell phone mount, and also watching me do the installation on it. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just need a couple screwdrivers that are long, a T25 Torx, and maybe I think it's like a T15 Torx for that little ball that gets attached to the bracket. So thanks for watching Kevin's European Garage. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll have some more videos coming out soon. Also, the mount makes a great place for you to hang your masks on.